G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today's video, I just want to share a pretty cool little product that I bought for my Mavic Mini transmitter. As you can see, I've got it here on the bench. What this is an aftermarket phone bracket for the DJI Mavic Mini series transmitters. And on the listing it says it's also suitable for the DJI Spark, the original Mavic Air, the original Mavic Pro 2 and Zoom they're saying. I'm not too sure about the Pro 2 and Zoom, but I know the original Mavic had this style of controller. I think it was the first DJI drone as well as the Spark to have this style transmitter. So that's what I bought it for, and now it just came in a plain box. I've got everything out of the box because I did fit this before making this video. See how it fits, but as you can see, you get the main phone holder. This can also fit a tablet. They're saying that it supports up to from 4.6 inches to 12 inches phones and tablets. So yeah, it's pretty strong spring on there. We also have the ball joint locking mechanism on the back, as well as the little cutouts here for the phone cables for your phone to transmitter here, okay? And then we also have the main body of this bracket. So as you can see, this will clip around the transmitter, and you've got these adjustable hinges, okay? And the ball joint just there to attach the phone holder, all right? And they also included a nice little DJI lanyard as well. They're calling it a sling on the listing. All right guys, so I'll just put that away so you can see the background a bit better. So yeah, it's very simple to actually put this device on. I personally like to have a phone. The reason I bought this is I like to have the phone above the transmitter. I don't really like to have the phones on the bottom because I like to actually have these as handles, not, you know, hold the actual transmitter with the palm and have a phone down here. I'd rather have it at the top. That way I can get, you know, you can have a better grip having these as actual handles. So that's what I bought it for, guys. So very simple to put together. So first off, I'm going to put the ball attachment on, okay? Just screw that in. It's fairly tight, and then it's just a matter of opening up this bracket, and then you just grab your transmitter, open up the clasp. It's just a matter of put it on the face like that, okay? And then underneath, just want to click that into place. Now it is pretty tight on the Mavic Mini transmitter here, but that's a good thing, okay? You don't want it loose, but as you can hear that click, it's very tight there. And then it's just a matter of tightening these little screws, these hinges up. One there, we've got one on the top. Okay, and then I'll just make sure that's a bit tighter there for the mount. And there you have it, guys. Nice bracket here for your mobile phone, okay? Now I'll go grab my phone here. I'm just going to grab the cable. Okay, so I've got my cable here. So what you want to do, see these two little windows here? You'd want to put that in first. So feed that through, and then you can put your phone in after that. Okay, I'm just going to line it up. There we go, plugged in. I'll just turn my phone on at the same time. So you have it. All right, I'll put the sticks in because I've got them off at the moment. The second one in, and as you can see, still got the full range of motion because they've actually got these little cutouts on either side so the sticks won't interfere with the bracket itself. And you can also put this lanyard on they've given us in the little loop of the bracket there. So yeah, there it is, guys. I think it's actually a great product. I've always wanted something like this for this transmitter since I bought the Mavic Mini, and I stumbled across it on sale on Banggood. So I'll leave a link in the description below, guys, if you want to check this out yourself. I definitely prefer to have the phone above the transmitter rather than underneath, mainly for the simple fact that I just find it more comfortable having it up the top. You're not looking at your phone down towards the ground. You've actually got it above there, which is easier line of sight. If you're looking at your phone which is above the transmitter, you don't have to look that far to see where the drone is, rather than having a look at it all the way down. You're actually facing the ground. I just find it a lot better, as well as being able to use these hand grips rather than just holding it with your palms with a bulky phone underneath. So that's it, guys. Quick video of a product that I just bought from Banggood. I'll see if there's any links to any other places like AliExpress that you can get it from, but yeah, I'll leave a link below if you're interested in getting one of these for yourself. So thanks very much for watching, guys. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you on the next video. Until next time, enjoy the hobby, and bye for now.